Hey, this is Charles Draven from infospy.com. Thanks for checking out this OLSP Megalink review. Big question here is this system by Wayne Crow, is this system for real? Can it help you make some serious money? So that's what we'll be talking about today. And the way I do my reviews is that I typically don't provide you a demo of all that. That's not what this is all about. What I'm doing here is providing you with my insights, my feedback from doing online business for over a decade. So what you can expect from this is just to give you a quick idea of what this is all about and whether I think if it's worth it or not. And just to be upfront with you, I am an affiliate of OLSP. So let's go ahead and get started here. If you want to make bank, this whole system, OLSP, was created by Wayne Crow, and he has created this system that pretty much provides you with an affiliate marketing platform. And if you're not familiar with affiliate marketing, it's just a way to make money by referring others to a product or service. And this system has quite a bit of products and services that's loaded in it. So you don't have to apply to a bunch of affiliate programs. This system pretty much is the big mega affiliate program. And it helps you generate income by promoting a single mega link, which means you promote one single link and you can make profits from a wide variety of offers. It's designed for beginners, making it easy to turn a profit. How does it work? You get your link called the mega link, you share it. Of course, you're going to get training on how to share it, and then you start earning. OLSP handles the hard parts like selling and lead nurturing. You just share your link and watch your commissions grow. So I would say this is actually a very huge part of the system. Typically, if you are getting started in make money online niche especially, you'll be told to build your list. You'll be told to create your own landing page where you capture leads to get an autoresponder, an email marketing platform, get an email address that's branded to a certain domain and connect all that. You get your domain and then you set up something called DNS settings, all this technical stuff. And then you still have to learn how to use your email marketing platform and create emails. But before you create emails, you have to learn how to do something called copywriting, how to create words that sell. And all that is done for you. I would say that the lead capture page, the selling and nurturing, all that is done for you by Wayne and his team, mostly Wayne. And then you will be able to use this infrastructure to promote your business. And it's pretty simple. So if you're worried about not having the right skills, like you have no marketing skills, you have no computer skills, you don't know how to sell, you don't want to talk to people, you're just totally afraid because this is new to you, you don't have that expertise, it is done for you. And you might feel very overwhelmed by a lot of things out there. Main thing is that you follow the simple training and that's it. You follow simple training and you just take action. Key features. The bulk is done for you. It gives you training and a supportive community. Plus you get tools to track your progress and an OLSP bonus to help you score big. So joining OLSP Megalink, it provides you with a lot. It says done for you, but I would say you still have to grow your business by using what you learn from the training. The pros. So it's very easy to start. It has an extremely low cost. For people here in America, I'll say it costs close to the price of a cup of coffee at Starbucks or any other major coffee place. It's something that will allow you to earn passive income and it requires no technical skills. Plus, you get ongoing support from the community and Wayne himself. The cons. OLSP mainly focuses on promoting itself. Your income depends on getting people to click on a link. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, and you still need to put the work. And that's what I say about just about any affiliate program, any marketing system. Don't expect people to do the work for you. That's the reason why this business exists, for you to actually market it and you learn about marketing through the simple training that they provide. And there are so many people that have used the training and have made some big commissions with Megalink. So is it right for you? Well, if you're a beginner who wants a simple system, this is right for you. Even if you're advanced, you can go ahead and use this to add another arm to your monetization. So it's very good for people that don't like selling and for people that want a system where it has like a passive income strategy in it, so you don't have to do all the hard work, so you could actually make money, like let's say while you're asleep. If you're looking for a hands-off solution or don't want to promote OLSP itself, it may not be the right solution for you. Again, if you're looking for something that will just build itself without you in it, then this is not the right solution. Again, this is not a get-rich-quick scheme. So my final thoughts, it really shows you how to create passive income online. I think it's an awesome system. And Wayne, he has been doing this for many years, building businesses online, especially through affiliate marketing. I got involved in this because Wayne is one of the big traffic experts online. So many people in the digital marketing world have used his services to build up to a lot of traffic. And his form of monetization that he's used heavily is affiliate marketing instead of other forms of monetization. So I really like the fact that he has stuck to the MMO niche and has made a killing in affiliate marketing. And that's why I follow him. That's why I went into this, dived into it, and that's why we're here today. So just remember, it's not magic. You need to put work to hit it big. So if you're ready to boost your income, give it a try. It's a simple way to rake in profits online. And also, I want to let you know that people that join through my affiliate link, I can help you along the way. If you have any questions, again, just like I've been saying throughout this video, I won't do the work for you, but I can help you answer the questions that you have and help you get pointed in the right direction. And I do have some checklist, some guidance documents to help you get started because there is, their website. There's a lot of things that you could jump into, like different rabbit holes. But what I want everyone, especially when they're just getting started, is to be able to know where to go, how to get help, and then, of course, focus and take action. So if you're ready to get started, check out the link in my description. You'll be able to learn about MegaLink, and then I'll also provide you with another link. And this other link will also show you my simple strategy for making money online. And that is a free PDF. Check it out. Again, I'm going to provide you with two links. And the first one's going to be MegaLink, and this other one is for my free PDF. So check out my InfoSpike link for more details. And that's going to be in the description. If you are on YouTube, check out the link in my description below the video. If you are in an article, blog post, I'll provide you with a link to this document as well. So that's all for today. This is Charles Draven from InfoSpike. Thanks for watching my OLSP MegaLink review.